dito boarding na. Bali ano na oras 23:57 na, mag-alas 12 na.
All the way back, remove your boarding pass. Remove your hat, boarding pass for teacher pin.
Oh, hanggang 70 to.
Hanggang 70 po.
What's your seat?
72.
I need to see po. Thank you.
Ay, 71.
Thank you. We got your card for the boarding pass.
Hi sir, hat off please.
Thank you. Yan, nakaboarding na tayo at traffic pa rin dito sa loob pala. Ay, ganun pala yung ano, sistema nila. Kukunin mo na yung bagahe mo na dito. Yung inano nila kanina dito. So, hahanapin mo na yung bagahe mo.
Check-in.
Sige po, diretso na po. Boarding passes out lang po. Yung your passport po.
Ano mo?
Sa Amura. Para patanda.
Parang tanda.
Ito sa... Yan, ito. Dito na yung ano natin, no? Ay, boarding na. Ay, traffic. Buti na lang magang pinapasok. Maliwanag pa. Ay, sa dulo tayo.
To use or charging ang e-cigarettes. Ayan, pwede.
Also, tampering
Dulo.
with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors is a serious offense.
Maganda naman.
Devices to airplane mode. Be sure to store large devices at this time. And also, please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. If your gadget slips between the seats, do not adjust the seat. Please call a cabin crew member for
Second to the last. Dulo pala to.
Fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight, especially during takeoff and landing.
Fasten your seatbelt and insert the metal end into the bubble until you hear it click. Tighten, pull the loose end of the
Butang mo sa baba.
Nasa dulong-dulo na tayo. Pinakabuntot na. Ayan o.
Remove all sharp objects from your body. Before instructions, you're going to display. Push the in inwards. Inflate the life vest or outside the aircraft. Your life vest light will automatically switch on once submerged in water. I've covered almost everything.
Ay, nasa dulong-dulo tayo. Ang taas pala oh. Parang nasa third floor.
Mabuhay. We are pleased to have you on board your Philippine Airlines flight PR117 bound for Manila. Our heartfelt thanks to our Mabuhay Milers for your continued patronage to our flag carrier. We request all passengers to occupy your assigned seats for the duration of the flight. If you are seated in an exit row, you are required by civil aviation regulations to read the passenger briefing card. If you need to be reseated, please inform our cabin crew now. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, vaping, or the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. We want to ensure the comfort and safety of all passengers, including those with special needs. If you require any assistance during the flight, please feel free to inform our cabin crew. We are here to help make your journey as enjoyable and as stress-free as possible. Allow us the privilege to be of service to you today.
During the flight, our estimated arrival time is around 30 minutes past the hour of 4 in the morning, and that's Saturday of August 17, 2024. Manila being 15 hours ahead of Vancouver local time. We care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR117 bound for Manila. In command of the aircraft is Captain Archie Masiglas. Assisting of the controls, Captain James Chua, First Officer Hans Lavitas, and Second Officer Lucian Aquino. This is your flight purser, Aida Alejandro.